Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I'll absolutely appreciate it. Hey guys, today I was at church, and then coming back from church ngithi ngiyaqalaza la ku YouTube. Thola ukuthi hayibo, girl is married. Uvuyokazi has been lotsholwat. Hey guys. Anyways, congratulations to her, but I don't know how I feel about her getting married to Uxolani. Okay, just a brief backstory for those who do not know. Uvuyokazi Nciweni, baby mama kaSibindi Mseleko, it seems like she has been going out with this man called Uxolani, who is a chef and is working in the UK, who has a baby mama and a girlfriend who has been cheating on his baby mama, his girlfriend. Kuningi nje guys ngoXolani. And at some point in time, Uxolani, when the scandals came out, waphuma lokuthi he's owing a lot of people. Many people came out saying, oh, uyangkolota imali. So guys, it seems like from the look of things, from the way Uxolani was portrayed on social media, you could swear ukuthi Mpumelelo is actually better than Uxolani, but oh well, into zabantu. Anyways guys, another thing, right? So there is a voice note that was leaked some time ago when Uxolani was speaking to her baby mama. Remember guys, ukuthi on Vuyokazi's, so all these scandals came about ngebirthday kaVuyo because Uxolani bought some flowers for Uvuyo and sent some engagement ring, you know. Then kwase kuphuma ukuthi it seems like Uxolani spoke to her to his baby mama, wathi khona please remember that person that I was owing, what he needs the money, can you send the money to that person? Kanti hayi leyo mali is going to buy flowers for Uvuyo. So the baby mama was upset, and then she came out, she did an interview with Umgosi Entertainment, right, where she revealed ukuthi yena nje ufuna imali yakhe. The reason why nje it come out, it's because she wants imali yakhe, and she's so angry at the fact that no, not that she wants imali yakhe, but like she's so angry at the fact that usetshenziswe yena, you know, but ukuthenga ama flowers for Uvuyo, right? And it seems like, from the look of things, it seemed like Uxolani and the baby mama are still dating, right? But Uxolani wanted to make Uvuyokazi umamkhulu. You get it? Hey guys, kuningi. For those who do not know the scandal, I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. But I know that a lot of you guys know the scandal, right? Anyways, guys, so and then a voice note leaked between Uxolani le baby mama kaXolani, where they were talking about this whole thing, right? And then Uxolani was, guys, man, oh my word, after the devil fear a man. So Uxolani was speaking to her baby mama, telling her baby mama that no, he's coming back, you know, to South Africa, and he's gonna get married to the baby mama, you know. And then he was saying that, baby mama, what about Uvuyo? You are busy flaunting Uvuyo lapa on your Instagram and everything. And Uxolani was like, no, don't worry, I know what I'm doing, you know. I want to increase my following, you know, on social media. So I'm doing everything, I'm doing whatever it takes for me to get famous, so that when I come back to South Africa, I open my business. So that whole statement to me was screaming, okay, I'm using Vuyo for fame. But it could have been that he was lying to the baby mama, you know. Maybe he's in love with Uvuyo and why shaya baby mama. Or kube ukuthi ushayashaya Uvuyo. Guys, abafana guys, yo ayingeke. That's meant for you. But anyways, amhlophe halala amhlophe nke Uvuyo. Congratulations on her amalobolo, on amalobolo. Guys, another thing is, but like Uvuyo now has 2 kids and all that. Baba Mseleku saying, don't marry a woman with kids. Don't, but look at her. She is married with her 2 kids. Yabo. On the other hand, ngapha ngibona lutirelo lapha Instagram post ile status. Yo guys, utirelo ngiyamzwela. Oh nkosi yami, ngiyamzwela utirelo. I'm going to make another video of why ngimzwela, because I just want to make this about Uvuyo. And another thing, so it said that there's gonna be a reality show. So they were supposed to choose amongst Uvuyo, Usne, and Usibindi, who's gonna have a reality show. So from the look of things, it seems like the one with the most dramatic life at this point in time is Uvuyo, because she just moved from Umpumelelo, jumped from one relationship and went to another relationship. So her life is just dramatic. Drama and she film. Guys, what do you think about this thing? Uvuyo just moved from one relationship to another. Yes, it even feels like maybe he was cheating on Umpumelelo with this guy, because when did they break up and when did she start a serious relationship and get engaged and get married? Hi boy, speed esingaka. Uya speed Uvuyo. Uya speed Uvuyo nkosi yami, hayibo. Speed esingaka. Guys, please don't come on the comment section and say, oh, please stop talking about Uvuyo, stop judging Uvuyo. Please, it's boring. Those comments are very much boring. They're so boring. I'm just doing a review. These people put their lives out there on social media for us to talk about them, because I mean, they're on a reality show. We're going to talk. Please don't bore me with those comments of saying, please leave Uvuyo. No, because I won't. Not anytime soon. Not anytime soon. If you don't like gossip, please next time don't come back to this channel. Otherwise asibafuna umfundisi lapha bazabe bezosikhuza bethi hoyeke lani gossip ngamanye abantwana. No, please stop it. Anyways, I thank you so much guys. I'm just shocked. Thank you so much guys. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.